like people that don't snore. People that don't snore, y'all are the biggest jerks. Always judging us snores. Y'all, do y'all think we do that on purpose? You think that's what we decide to do? You think we just sit in the bed like, you know, what can I do to make her kick me in my back every 15 minutes? Like, I'll struggle to breathe all night to teach her a lesson. She'll learn if I fight for my life all night. She'll get her act together. It's rough, man. I got like a deadly condition called sleep apnea. I don't know if y'all heard of that. Sleep apnea, that's actually where you stop breathing in your sleep.